So how's he doing?
Oh, poor little guy. All right. Well, if there's anything you need, let me know. I love you too.
Well,
Your brother's gonna be fine, but he has to have his gallbladder removed.
how's he gonna pee?
Not that bladder, his gallbladder.
What's the gallbladder do?
I guess not much if they're taking it out.
You think he'll bring it home so we can see it?
I'll ask.
Where is he?
He's fine. He's in the bathroom working it out.
Shelley? You okay in there?
No.
Give it a few more minutes. Eyes on the prize.
This is not a fecal issue.
I'm coming in.
My tummy really hurts, Mom.
I do feel a bit warm. Okay, you finish up in here, get in bed, and I'll bring you some ginger ale.
Canada Dry?
Yes.
Room temperature?
Yes.
Mostly flat?
I'll stir the fizz out with a spoon.
Thanks, Mom.
Why don't you dote on me like that?
Because he's my baby.
I could be your baby.
Oh, now I have a stomachache.
So, those pain meds should already be kicking in. Then my buddy Gary here is going to administer the gas, which will help you sleep. Once you're under, we'll make a little incision and snatch that guy right out of there. Any questions?
Yes. What kind of doctor says snatch that guy right out of there?
Just trying to put you at ease.
It didn't work. Where did you go to medical school?
University of Nebraska.
Uh-oh. Did you at least graduate with honors?
Top of my class.
Have you had any alcohol in the last 24 hours?
Not a drop.
How much sleep did you get last?
Gary, can we?
Got it.
Just relax and start counting backwards from 100.
Wait, Gary, where did you study anesthesia?
Thursday on Young Sheldon.
We need a doctor here.
Who's running this operation?
Where did you go to medical school?
University of Nebraska.
Uh-oh.
Gary, can we?
Got it.
A new Young Sheldon's just what the doctor ordered.
Do you know the Soft Kitty song?
No.
I'll teach it to you. Get a notepad.
Thursday after Big Bang on CBS.